Welcome to Eurochef Electronics. Today we are talking about EGT55-3G1E+E. EGT55-3G1E+E has an electric oven, and that's what we are going to be talking about today. Now I want to show you all the components of our EGT55-3G1E+E oven. Starting with on top. Now, when you come to this top part, you find that it is a stainless steel worktop. We call it a stainless steel worktop. A stainless steel worktop is very easy to clean. Now, once you start using it, you remove the blue wrapper. You find that it is very, very easy to clean because it is very nice stainless steel. Now, our worktop houses three burners and one electric hot plate. Our burners are made up of the highest quality aluminium BX burner, and this is called enamel coated burner cap. Our burner cap is enamel coated to reduce corrosion by liquids like water and maybe cooking oil, all sorts of liquids. So it is coated, it is very smooth, it reduces corrosion. Another advantage of all Eurochef cookers is that all Eurochef cookers come with this one feature we call the jet valve. All of our burners have this jet valve. This one has a jet valve, this one has a jet valve, and this one also has a jet valve. It's a very small opening. This one is 0, which is 0.6 millimeters. The advantage of the jet valve is that it allows very minimal amount of gas to get into the BX burner when you are cooking. Another advantage of this cooker is that each and every burner has its own pipeline. They do not share pipelines. That means that this one has its own pipe that takes gas to this burner. This one has its own pipe, takes gas to this burner, and this one also has its own pipe. They do not share a single pipe. So that means that each and every burner will have its own flame, very powerful flame. Another part of this of our burner is this lighter. This lighter is controlled by what we call this pulse ignition. It uses electricity. It is different from auto ignition that does not use electricity. Another thing that is found on the worktop are these two grills that are used to hold your cooking pot. You can place 4 cooking pots. You can place 4 cooking tops on top. You can use this one and this one at the same time. This one and this one at the same time. Now the last part of the worktop is this, our very nice glass top design. Some brands use a metallic part, but ours is a very strong glass top that is also very easy to clean and maintain. Very strong. Now moving on to our control panel. Our control panel houses all the knobs that are used to control everything on this cooker. This first knob here is used to control the hot plate, and these 3 knobs right here are used to control our burners on top. This one right here is our timer. When you are baking, you use this timer to time whatever it is that you are cooking inside there. And this one right here is the knob used to control the oven. You can see this is the temperature control for the oven, and it also shows that you can turn on the oven in different modes. Now moving on to the oven. This is our oven. This oven is 55 liters in capacity, and I want to show you the best features of this oven. The first one is that this oven is what we call double oven heater. Very many brands do not have a double oven heater. They only have a single oven heater. So most brands, they only have one heater on top. But this one, all Eurochef cookers, this is a very unique part of all Eurochef cookers. They have a double oven heater. That means one heater on top and another heater at the bottom. That means that when you're cooking inside this oven, you can spread the heat evenly from top and bottom. This one, the power output is 1000 watts. This one down here, the power output is 800 watts. And it comes with a one tray, one rack, and a rotisserie fork. Inside it, we also have the user manual and the warranty card. So, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes. Before I continue, I've told you that this is before I conclude. This is the rotisserie fork. This is the button we use to control the rotisserie fork. Just turn it on and it will start going round.